The Barbell Back Cyclist Squat is an excellent squat variation that elevates the heels at a high incline in order to target and strengthen the vastus medialis oblique, also known as the VMO or the teardrop. Strengthening this muscle helps improve knee health. To get started, position the barbell across your upper back while holding on with a medium overhand grip. Carefully place your heels on a 6-inch incline by using a wedge board or, as I show you here, 3 10-pound plates stacked on top of each other. I also placed a few 45-pound plates to keep them from shifting. The balls of your feet remain on the floor. Take a stance so your feet are 4 inches apart from each other. Then contract your core for balance. Then under control, slowly lower your body into a squat by bending at the hips and knees. As you lower into the squat, your knees will come forward over your toes, which is fine. This incline will also help keep your torso upright. Once you hit the bottom of the squat, press your feet through the plates and the floor to rise back up to standing. Repeat for reps. Subscribe for more Live Lean TV daily exercises.